Happy Tuesday. We're gonna do what's the vibe. I have no idea what's going on in the airwaves today. Hopefully my makeup doesn't look crazy. I just actually kind of messed it up. Love affair, dirty little secrets, sex fix down low. We got masked, vacay, hopeful, nightlife, striptease, gamble, Vegas, love affair, hopeful, vacay, mask, hiding, deception, concealing. It's always like someone's in your face smiling, and the whole time they want to take your place. And then when they get to that point, they're not going to know what to do. Oh no, hopeful vacay. You guys are enjoying time alone, feeling inspired, optimistic, successful vacay. If you aren't planning a vacation, start planning one now. You're about to get asked to go somewhere. Get away, relax, have fun. Take some you time out. Established, settled, secure, wealthy. If you're not feeling the wealth, you're about to receive it. Or you're reestablishing yourself to go on this vacation and to feel secure and wealthy and stable. Why am I stable? Why am I wealthy? Why am I abundant? Why do I have everything that I need? Why am I well taken care of by the universe? Those are some great affirmations for you guys. We got a narcissist out here, narcissistic, fragile, egotistical. So this narcissist is outside acting like everything is fine, harmony, peace, balance. So you're at peace from this narcissist and from the secrets that they may have been hiding, emotions, worry, fear. So someone's hiding a wave that has hit or is about to hit. Where are you going on vacation at? That's the most important question. Epiphany, self-reflection, answer questions, untapped talents. What are you guys having an epiphany about? That you don't want to be somewhere, you don't want to do something, you just don't want to do that anymore, whatever that is. So make changes so you don't have to do that. If you're not liking it, toxic. I'm not saying get away before something becomes too much. Your irreconcilable differences, or that's definitely a divorce term. Just let it go before it's all crazy. Dramas, arguments, incompatible, no matter if this is at work or relationship or co-parentship, whatever. You're having an epiphany that something is toxic and you need to get away and have fun. Isolation, rejected, left alone, self-inflicted. So while you're feeling safe, someone is feeling crazy. And that's why we got cautious, insecure, guarded, family, and longing. So this could be someone you had a family with, They're paranoid. Or someone went out and started a family somewhere else, but they want to come back to you and what they family dynamic that they created with you. Missing you, this talk reunion. This could be a newer energy that you've met or really haven't gotten much off of the ground. And exactly as I said, that we got nurturing, mentorship, wisdom, giving back, blood ties, inner circle. A lot of old family stuff that's moving out the way. What's the toxicity about? I'm feeling like you just left and walked away, and this is wishful thinking. Is someone like going down again memory lane? As soon as this card comes out, second chance, deja vu, nostalgia. Like someone wants to be so toxic so bad. Agree by any means necessary and inconsiderate. Exactly. They'll be inconsiderately considerate and causing you chaos. They're hopeless and burn bridges. Exactly. Loss, depression, oozy eye, lack of trust, disloyal, turn back on you, burn the bridges. They're hopeless. And they're trying to send like mind things to you, but you're not getting it. Thrills, continuous addictions, bad decisions, blocks, moved on, nothing to say, stop calling, antisocial. You don't want to hear anything that this person has to say. I mean, there's obviously nothing to say if they are this emotional about you walking away and going on vacation, and you walked away to be hopeful and successful and established. So they just don't like the fact that you left and they've been exposed as the one that was not the one wearing the pants in this relationship. I don't know. I don't know why that came to mind, but I'm gonna leave it here. Hearts, kisses, and bye.